22. There's not much time left to do anything now. I put my little snowman up. Just a little knitted character. Anyway, 22. Going up here, and I think the snowman is just going to hang on there. There's hardly any places left to put things because I hung the goose and the egg up as one thing, and there's also the partridge and the pear tree, which are actually two, but I hung them on the same day, so I've had to put them together so that I've got room to hang another two up. 23 will go here, and then 24 will go here. Anyway, I've got yesterday's walk to show you today, and although it was blustery, it was really nice being out. Hope you enjoy it. I'm down at the River Weir, which runs right through the bottom of my village, and you can see the river's quite high, and even though it's very blustery up the top, once I've got down into the bottom, it's not too bad. So I'm going to have a really nice walk along and see if I can find some bits and pieces for my mantelpiece to go with what I've got in my garden. I really like the acid yellow of the lichen on these branches. And look, there's berries off the hawthorn. They'll inject a bit of colour. Now this is on an ash tree, and the nice thing is that pieces break off ash trees all the time. So I'm going to find plenty of this lovely lichen covered branch just fallen down. I don't need to cut any. I'll just use what's fallen already on the floor. Sunlight's just getting above the hill there and coming down through the trees. It's all very bare. I'm walking along this little path. It's a good job we haven't had some rain because it's quite muddy, but it's not wet, not particularly wet mud at the moment. This is what I've been looking for, some strands of ivy, so I can have holly and ivy on my mantelpiece. The sunshine is really catching these rose hips. They're shining out like on fire. Such a beautiful colour. And they're all along here. I might get a few, but I do have some in my garden. They're so pretty. They're all very bare. But there's a little lakes. I'm just adjacent to the river. Here's some lovely teasels, like I embroidered on my goldfinch stitchery. So I don't think I want teasels on my mantelpiece, so they can just stay there. The reflection of the trees in the water with the sunshine coming down. The morning sun is making my shadow so long, so I thought my shadow could wave to you. Happy solstice, everyone. I'm off down here. We'll go over here. The sun coming through the gap in the trees. And more beautiful reflections. The sun's really come out now, the sky's so blue. I'm just going to walk back down to where the river is. Beautiful blue sky. And the catkins on here are really beautiful. They're catching the sun. You can see the river in the background. Sometimes there's a bit of a pebbly beach here, but it's all water today. A nice little bit of ivy coming up on the trees here. And I thought I'd just caught the robin, but I don't think I've caught it into my video. I'll see when I get back. I think I'm on my way home now. I'm going to walk back through this little bit of woodland. Back up where it's all windy. You can hear the wind in the trees. I think with that I'm just going to say bye from Marion's World. I hope you've enjoyed the little walk through the woods on my winter solstice walk, where I'm collecting some ivy for the mantelpiece. I hope you have a lovely day, everyone. Till tomorrow, bye bye from Marion's World.